welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
IEC registration. Import-Export Code IEC. IEC registration is required by a person for exporting or importing goods. It is a 10-digit code which is issued by Directorate General of Foreign Trade. Features of IEC. All importers who import goods are required to register Import-Export Code, and all exporters need this code to obtain the benefits of exports. IEC code holder does not require filing of any returns. IEC code is issued for lifetime and requires no renewal. Even individuals who are proprietor can obtain the code in their name. It is not necessary to set up a business for the same. Documents required for an individual: copy of PAN card, passport size photograph, copy of Aadhaar card, photo identity card, authorization letter in case of partnership, authority from other directors on letterhead in case of company, copy of partnership deed in case of partnership, board resolution, self-declaration in case of company, telephone bill in the name of the individual in case of individual, cancel check of the individual. Documents required for an entity: copy of PAN card, firm or company, copy of property papers, copy of rent agreement, landlord NOC, cancel check of firm, electricity or water bill, telephone bill in the name of the business, copy of service tax returns, certificate of incorporation, bank statement of firm or company, OA and MOA, one letter of company. Steps to apply for IEC: application preparation, application processing, IEC fee payment, IE code issuance. Application preparation. In order to get code, an application must be made in Ayat Niryat Form 2A format of the DGFT in that region where the registered office of the company is established. Government has also arranged online filling facility for obtaining IEC code online. Application processing. Details of the business and its proprietors, directors or partners, bank account details and a bank certificate are the basis requirement of ANF 2A. All the requirement document for IEC needs to be submitted with ANF 2A. Digital signature is required on the ANF 2A form. IEC fee payment. Once the application is complete, it should be filed with DGFT and an application fee need to be paid to the government. IEC department may send back your application for correction or change. You need to reply back to the DGFT in 15 days. IE code issuance. Once the application is completely verified by the department, the Directorate General of Foreign Trade will allot an IE code for your business. This IE code comes in both soft copy and hard copy. You can receive the soft copy via email and can start the import-export transaction with this. Thank you.